Wait, actually, let me show you another spot over here. Like, wow, this is even cooler. So I'm gonna take this vlogging camera for a little roll. I was supposed to use it in Madrid, but I did the most in Madrid. So we have Bartek here, Bartek here, showing me around. I flew to Mars, and he's showing me around the volcanic areas of Mars. But we're actually in the Canary Islands, specifically Lanzarote. Lanzarote. No? What? Damn. What is it?
Lanzarote.
Lanzarote.
Oh, that was Italian.
Okay, what is it?
Lanzarote.
Lanzarote.
I think so.
Lanzarote. It's an island off Canaries. We got that. And but it's crazy. He thought I was gonna be bored because I'm too close to tropical islands, Haitian and everything. It's like you're in Mars. He's gonna take me to ride the camels tomorrow, and we're gonna go kite surfing. If you see my last, as you know, I'm not a swimmer. All right, adventure Bartek. To the next. So traveling while on a diet is not easy, especially with somebody like Bartek, who doesn't eat. And he doesn't feed his muscles. So I'm pretty much in the forced intermittent fasting, which is fine because I've been pretty much in intermittent fasting this whole trip from Sardinia and Madrid. But he really has me practicing my intermittent fasting because he has me going to eat at gas stations to buy. So far, the past 2 days of eating has been me eating deli, which is, I'm glad because we're in Spain, we're in Europe, so this is like quality, straight from the meat of the bone type of deli meat. So I can't complain, my abs are still in. And then at night, that's when we go ahead and eat a proper dinner and pig out and have wine and get drunk. So this is dieting while with Bartek. Excursion number, I think 3 of what is it? Lanzarote. Excursion number 3 of Lanzarote. Bartek has taken me to a nude town. I think he's just trying to see me naked. And we shot before, so he's seen me naked before. So yeah, everybody in this town, oh not everybody, most people in town naked. Right now I feel like I'm on an episode of Naked and Afraid because we're almost like in a deserted area. Bartek, don't turn around, your butt's gonna show. Honestly, this island is really cool. Like the landscape of it, like red sand. Honestly, it looks like you're on Mars. If you ever seen Interstellar and they landed on that Mars-looking island, this is what it's giving. It's very secluded area. You see Bartek right there. If you're a nature person and you like being, I'm very introverted in the sense of I gain energy from being by myself and not being around a lot of people. This is definitely your spot. Come to the Lanzarote, Canary Islands. Wait, actually, let me show you another spot over here. Like, wow, this is even cooler. I don't know if you can see as well. it's crazy when you drive from one end to another end of the island, you have different types of areas. We just came from this cool cove type beach area, which actually was a nudist town. We walked through. I think you might see in this video that the nudist part that we did over there, but it's a little bit more tropic, not as much vegetation, but caves. We went into the caves area, very clear blue, salt water, natural pools and everything.